Dinosaurs, the giants that ruled Earth 65 million years ago. But what if, instead of fossils, they were food? And what if we didn't raise them here on Earth, but on Mars? Yes, welcome to the ultimate cosmic barbecue. Today we're asking, what if we farmed dinosaurs on Mars for food? Would humanity finally solve world hunger, or just create the galaxy's deadliest petting zoo? Let's start with the obvious question. Why Mars? Mars is the closest planet where humans could theoretically build farms. It has day-night cycles similar to Earth. And thanks to Elon Musk, everyone's obsessed with moving there anyway. But the truth is, Mars is not farm-friendly. Thin atmosphere, freezing cold, toxic soil. Crops struggle. Animals? Forget it. Unless we bioengineer them. Which brings us to dinosaurs. Step 1. Bring back dinosaurs. Sounds insane, but scientists already extract ancient DNA. With CRISPR gene editing, we could theoretically recreate dino-like animals.
Simulations look promising. Let's initiate the final splicing.
Think Jurassic Park, but with lab-grown steak as the end goal. Now imagine scaling that project not for a zoo, but for agriculture. On Mars, bioengineered dinos would be bred in climate-controlled domes. Why? Because cows, pigs, and chickens evolved for Earth. Dinosaurs? With a few genetic tweaks, maybe they'd thrive in Martian farms. Picture it, a massive Martian ranch. Transparent domes, artificial oxygen, and herds of dinosaurs grazing on engineered plants. Triceratops steaks? Yes, please. Brontosaurus burgers? Extra large. Raptor wings? Maybe not safe, but hey, spicy. Instead of chickens clucking, you hear thunderous stomps across the Martian soil.
Get him through the gate. Something big is coming.
Farmers in exosuits herd creatures the size of buses. But here's the catch. Keeping them alive would be insanely hard. Dinosaurs need oxygen, warmth, and food. Mars has almost none of that, which means every ranch would be an energy-hungry biodome. Basically, your dino nugget comes with a side of skyrocketing electric bills. So why bother? Because food is power. Earth's population is skyrocketing. Traditional farming takes massive land, water, and resources. But Mars dino farming? That's new territory. Imagine, cargo ships delivering tons of dino meat back to Earth. Entire Martian colonies fueled by dinosaur protein. Luxury restaurants serving Martian T-Rex ribs for a fortune. In theory, it could reduce pressure on Earth's farmland. No more deforestation for cows. Instead, we'd outsource dinner to Mars. But here's the nightmare part. What happens when your dino farm breaks loose?
It's coming through.
Raptors escaping the dome? Congratulations. Mars now has its first invasive predator. A herd of brontosauruses stomping through a colony? That's not dinner, that's demolition. And imagine a T-Rex in low Martian gravity. It would leap higher, run faster, and be way harder to contain.
The embryo is still developing. We have to
Add to that the ethical debate. Should humans create and kill an extinct species just to make dinosaur nuggets? Science fiction meets moral dilemma. Could it actually work? Technically, with enough money, tech, and energy, maybe. But practically, it's almost impossible. Mars doesn't have the resources to sustain giant animals. Farming dinos would cost more energy than it saves, and shipping dino meat back to Earth would be ridiculously expensive. In the end, lab-grown meat, cultured in vats, is way more realistic than interplanetary Jurassic farming. But hey, Imagining a Martian barbecue with Triceratops steaks? That's the fun of What If. Because while farming dinosaurs on Mars might never solve world hunger, it does make one thing clear. Humans will dream up the wildest ways to eat, even if it means raising Jurassic snacks on another planet.